Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question, which is chef gives party. Okay, so in this question there is given a story of chef that he wants to give a party to all his and friends. Okay, and he wants to buy a burger to each of his friends, and the cost of each burger is X rupees, and you have to determine that chef would able to buy the burger for all of his friend or not. You just have to print yes or no. Okay, so let's take an example. In a first input there is given xyz. X is the number of friends. Y is, sorry, x and xk, sorry, it's nxk. N is the number of friend, x is the price of burger. Okay, so nxk. Okay, n is the number of friend, burger price. Okay, each burger price for one, and the total money chef has. Okay, you just have to determine. So let's take an example here. There is given a 5, 10 and 70. 5, 10 and 70. Okay, so number of friend is 5 and each burger cost is given 10. Okay, so for 5 friend there will be 50, total 50 money will be spended. Okay, and you just have to determine whether he would be able to buy 5 burger or not. So of course he can buy, because the chef has 70 rupees and the total expenditure is 50. Okay, so 20 rupees will be remaining. So you just have to check it. If n into x is less than or equals to k, then you just have to do C out yes. Okay, else you just have to do C out no. Okay, so n into x will be 50 is greater than or less than 70. No, it is less than, so you just have to do C out yes. Okay, let's take another example here, that 5, 10 and 40. Here is given a 5, 10 and 40. Okay, so you just have to check it whether he would be able to buy 50 rupees burger with his 40 rupees or not. Okay, you just have to check it. So first you have to do the multiplication of 5 into 10, which is 50, and then you just have to check it whether it is greater than 40. Yeah, it is greater than 40, so he would be not able to buy the burger for his friend. Okay, so I hope you understand. Let's write the pseudo code here. You just have to, first you have to take int t. Okay, and then you just have to do c int t, and then while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to take input x comma y comma z, sorry, n k and z. Okay, it is n k and z. Okay, and then you just have to do if n into k is less than or equals to z. If it is, then you just have to do C out yes, else you just have to do no. Okay, so I hope you understand the basic understanding of this code. So let's write it. First you have to take the number of test cases here, int t, and then you have to take c int t, and then while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to take int, you have to take int nxk. Okay, int n comma x comma k. Okay, and then you have to check if you have to take input here also, cn n x and k. Okay, and then you just have to check if n into x is less than or equals to k, then you just have to do C out yes. Okay, then you just have to do C out yes, else you just have to do cout no. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, here is yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.